When it comes to safety and comfort in industrial and institutional settings, Shannon Powder-Free Vinyl Disposable Gloves by Emerald stand out. Imagine a glove that's not just a barrier, but a reliable partner in your daily tasks. With a non-latex formula, these gloves are perfect for anyone who might have a latex allergy, ensuring that everyone can work without worry. Each glove is manufactured to meet exacting user specifications, so you know you're getting quality you can trust. The soft vinyl material feels comfortable against the skin, allowing for extended wear without irritation. And let's not forget the beaded, tear-resistant cuffs. These aren't just for show. They enhance performance, keeping the gloves securely in place while you work. Available in medium and large sizes, they cater to a variety of users. With 1,000 gloves in a case, you're not just buying a product. You're investing in safety and efficiency for your workplace.